What a perfect cake I'm planning to make for Valentine's Day. So I start doing all the mise en place and get ready to go. And so simple. So these are the egg yolks of 6 eggs, the egg whites. Then we have here 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which is 20 grams of cornstarch. Here we have 100 grams of sugar. This is castor sugar, and we have 7 tablespoons of sugar. We have 500 grams of plain yogurt, and this is coconut, 60 grams of flour, normal flour, and it's 6 tablespoons. We have a tiny bit, it's 8 drops red dye. Here we have the zest of one lemon, organic and with no wax. And then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Here is a big pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yay! Magic is going to happen now. And now I start to mix all the ingredients. Oops. Oh my God. and this was my baking experience for Valentine's. It was cute, it was wonderful to make, but actually the cake did not rise like I was expecting to. But in the end, just like in life, things are not exactly like we expect, and till love doesn't grow. But still, it's wonderful to try, it's wonderful to leave it, and it's just delicious, just like this cake. And on this note, I just wish you happy Valentine's.